Alright, so real quick, this is going to be my paint booth that I'm going to be using. This is what I constructed. It was pretty quick, pretty cheap. So I got some 4 mil clear plastic. It looks great to me, but the box said it was clear. So what I ended up doing is I screwed on some studs all the way around to the ceiling, all the way around, and then I stapled the sheeting to it. And I pretty much rolled it all the way down. And what's holding it down is some PVC pipe. So I got some 1-inch PVC pipe that I taped to the bottom of the sheeting, so that way I could roll it up, and I could roll it up and hook it to the ceiling. And what I ended up doing is I bought a whole bunch of these storage hooks, and that's what hooks it up to the top and puts it in storage mode. And I'll show you that in a bit when I roll it up and roll it down. So this is going to be my inlet. Right here is 1-inch foam cut out to the doorway, and it has an AC filter so we can filter the air that's coming in. I do have a barrel back here that I might end up removing because it doesn't allow the door to open at all. And then I didn't make this long enough, so I'm gonna cut another piece of sheeting so that way I could put it all the way back and just put it to this door here. And then on this side over here, I need to do the same thing, but I wanted to make sure that it was 2 different layers so that way if I need to get in and out, you know, use the restroom or whatever. And then I was planning actually to make this go all the way out, and then that way I could block out this area here, but I need that in the booth so that way I can mix my paint and do all that great stuff. And then for my exit, I'm blocking off the front here. I made that, and then I have 3 20-inch fans over here that's going to be pretty much blowing out all the exhaust and all the pretty much filtering out the air and overspray through these exhaust filters. Show you how I hook those up. I do have some gaps on top, but I'm not worried so much about those because, you know, the main purpose is to get all this overspray caught in those air filters, and those little gaps, I don't think they're gonna make it that much of a difference, and I just don't want paint on my cars or the neighbor's cars. And then that's pretty much it. That's where I'm at. And over here I did leave an opening so that way I could access all my air compressor and all that stuff and my regulator. So left that open there for that. And then I have plenty of room here that I'm planning on painting the car here. So the next one up is gonna be the trunk lid. I am gonna take care of that. I'm gonna paint that, so that's gonna be on the next one. The hood, I didn't have room on the other side to put this over there, so I'm just gonna cover it up. It's not ready for paint, but it's in here. I'm gonna leave it there. And that's pretty much it. That's the ghetto booth. So this is how the exhaust filters are going on. I'm adding 3 screws on each side of the fan, and then I'm looping it over the screws, and then I'm taping it up. I'm gonna put more tape on that one. I'm taping them up, and that's what's gonna hold them on. And that's pretty much how I'm hooking these exhaust filters. Perfect. And this is pretty much what it looks like when it's in storage mode, when it's all rolled up and it's all hooked up to those storage hooks. Completely out of the way, ready to go. Obviously, every time I use it, I'm gonna use the sheeting. I'm gonna actually blow it off and clean up the booth, all that great stuff. So let's go. Let's get this trunk lid painted. Stay tuned for that next one.